Welcome new real estate agents and loan officers to my latest micro course. If you enjoyed this presentation, join my free community to receive it as an ebook. This presentation will equip you with the essential strategies to master the art of booking open houses. By implementing these 20 proven techniques, you'll boost your real estate success and grow your business. Let's dive in and transform your approach to open houses. Let's start with why open houses are so important. They provide a fantastic spotlight for your listings, attracting potential prospects that are ready to submit offers, and more importantly, they allow you to build valuable relationships with local buyers and sellers. First, it's crucial to define your territory. Concentrate your efforts in a specific geographic area to become the go-to agent in that neighborhood. This focused approach will make your marketing more effective and help you build a strong local presence. No matter how tempting it may be, do not accept to do open houses outside of your area. Keep your open houses within 5 to 10 miles of your home or office. Remember, one of the goals of open houses is to book office appointments, and a buyer will not drive more than 5 to 10 miles to meet you. Doing open houses outside of a 10-mile radius is a detriment to your efforts. Understanding the market is key. You need to be familiar with local demographics, price trends, and what your competitors are doing. This knowledge will help you identify the best opportunities for open houses and tailor your approach accordingly. Mastering your MLS tools is essential for finding potential open house opportunities. Reach out to your board of realtors, your broker, or me to learn how to effectively search and filter listings to identify properties that are a good fit for your open house strategy. Also, learn to create saved searches so that you only have to create a search once. This will save you time and effort in the long run. When searching for properties, set smart search criteria. Focus on single-family residences. Target homes priced 10% lower than the median value for the area. Look for properties listed for 20-plus days, and prioritize those with easy access and good curb appeal. Stay away from properties in closed communities and those with no parking available. Easy access and plenty of parking is paramount for a successful open house. We found that targeting properties in the 20-day sweet spot is highly effective. After 20 days on the market, listing agents are often more receptive to new marketing strategies, making it the perfect time to offer your open house services. Narrow your focus strategically. Start with a broad list, then filter based on listing details and photos. Conduct drive-by assessments to evaluate neighborhood and curb appeal, and finally, select the top properties to target for open house requests. What makes an ideal open house property? Consider the property's condition, its location appeal, how convenient the access is, and the price point. These factors will significantly impact the success of your open house, especially the price point. An overpriced property will be skipped by most buyers, and you won't get any traction with it. Prioritize your target properties based on factors that maximize your return on investment. Look for properties with high visitor traffic potential, locations near other open houses, distinctive features for social media, and a history of allowing guest hosts. Realtors' preferred method of communication is text messages over email and phone calls. Create your communication strategy. Adopt a text-first approach to introduce yourself, contact agents midweek for better receptiveness, and establish a clear follow-up protocol to ensure your requests don't get lost in the shuffle. Craft the perfect outreach text message. Keep it concise, specific, and respectful. Include exact dates and times to reduce back-and-forth communication. This template is a great starting point for your outreach efforts. Handle every response professionally. Express appreciation for positive responses, maintain a positive tone even with rejections, and follow up once on no responses before moving on. Remember, professionalism goes a long way. Create a tracking system that works for you. Top performers don't rely on memory. Record property details, listing agent information, dates of communication, status, and follow-up tasks to stay organized and efficient. Be ready to pivot quickly. Follow a 4-day plan. Monday for initial outreach, Tuesday for follow-ups, Wednesday as a pivot point to reach out to backup properties, and Thursday to finalize all details for the following weekend's open house. Don't forget to watch my mega open house micro course for open house marketing strategies. Let's address some common objections. Be prepared to respond to "we already have an agent," "the sellers don't want open houses," and "the property is under contract," with professional and persuasive answers. Build agent-to-agent credibility. In the real estate business, as in any other business, is not so much what you know, but who you know. Getting to know the listing agents will go a long way in establishing a relationship with them. Review their listings and sales, check and follow them in their social media, prepare to explain how you'll market their property, and have testimonials ready. Show them you're a valuable asset. Once you have a relationship with them, you can become their go-to person and get first dibs on their listings. Time your requests strategically. Aim for 5 to 7 days ahead of the weekend. Target properties listed for 20-plus days, and follow up within 24 hours. Remember, timing is everything in real estate. Refine your approach continuously. Identify properties, contact agents, host open houses, and analyze results. Treat your open house booking process as an evolving system, constantly improving based on what works best. Implement these strategies consistently and adapt them to your local market. Select a territory, work through the steps, and share this guide with your team members. With persistence and professionalism, you'll book more productive open houses and achieve greater success. I wish you the best in your endeavors.